Every whisper paints a hue, every silence hums in blue. Light and rhythm intertwine to form the music of my mind. Colors of sound rising high, painting dreams across the sky. Hear my world, it's pure and true. Every shade's a part of you. The crowd dissolves, I drift away to where the noise can't make me stay. In echoes soft I find my name. In every note I'm not the same. Colors of sound rising high, painting dreams across the sky. Hear my world, it's pure and true. Every shade's a part of you. Music speaks the words I hide. It turns my fear to peace inside. And though I walk in quiet tones, my song is written into stones. Colors of sound, my heart's refrain, a rainbow forged from joy and pain. Every hue a secret voice in chaos bright.